Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll be looking at drawing 3D pie charts. If you are joining us now, check the description section of this video on our YouTube channel to get the link to the playlist containing all the videos on Microsoft Excel. Let's go. Here is the file we are going to be using to draw our charts. We're going to draw three charts, each taking care of the three categories of medals alongside with the countries. So we are going to be using first the country and the gold medal, country and the silver medals, country and the bronze medals. So we are going to start with the first one, country and the gold medal. After highlighting the column for the country, including the column title, hold down the control button of your keyboard, highlight the column for gold up to the last cell. Then you click on the Insert tab, go to the chart group. On the chart group, you will see Insert Pie or Donut Chart. Click on the arrow next to it. You can see this is 2D pie, this is 3D pie, and this is the donut chart. So what we'll do is to click on the 3D pie. You click on the 3D pie, we have our 3D pie chart. You can resize the chart. I have the chart here. We're going to format the chart title to take care of the table header, including the gold itself. Double click, place the cursor at the beginning, paste, hit enter, and then add medals. So I can just edit this to accommodate gold itself. I think this should go, or this. Let me go with this, then make it bold. I am done with that. I go with the next one, which is the silver medal. And the same way, highlight the column for country from the column title to the end. Hold down the control button, highlight from silver to the end of the last cell. Go to Insert. On the charts group, click Insert Pie and Donut Chart. Then select the 3D, resize. I've resized that. Now, if I go to the sectors, I click on it, I can pull out any of these sectors. What I just need to do is click on that particular one. It is selected. Then you now pull it out. I can also do the same thing here. Click on that yellow, pull it out. Then remaining the title here, I need to add the title, go to silver, place the cursor at the beginning, enter, then add medals. So change this font to silver color, make it bold. For your information, I can duplicate this, then separate it there. We're going to change the data for this to accommodate bronze. If you look at this now, the two columns are highlighted. So we want to maintain this and then change this to bronze. So we come here and click on this chart filter. So you click on chart filter, it gives you this. You go down and click on select data source. You click on it, you can see. So what I just need to do now is to highlight as usual, hold the control, then highlight the bronze medal and then select OK. You can see now that it has effected the change to accommodate bronze medal. What I need to do here is to edit the silver to bronze. Then change the font color to bronze color. I have it there. If you like, you can also pull out one of the sectors. And with this, I want to let you know that we are done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and share this video. Also remember to check the description section of this video on our YouTube channel to get the link to the playlist containing all the videos on Microsoft Excel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.